guys, just wanted to introduce you to our very latest model, the TBS Ahma Puukko Bushcraft knife. As you can see, it comes in a fixed and a folding variant, and the folding variant is exactly the same dimensions as the fixed, except we made the blade thinner. So this new knife comes in only one type of steel, which is N690, which is a cobalt enriched stainless steel. Makes it super hard and holds an edge phenomenally well. As you can see in this particular instance, the handle of the Ahma is actually slightly longer than the blade, but the handle features some superb ergonomics, as all our knives do, and this makes for a very powerful controlled cutting knife. It's performed faultlessly for the last 2 weeks. I've had it on test whilst we're away. I've used it for very fine carving, I've used it for all sorts of powerful jobs, and it's performed faultlessly, and I haven't even had to strop it. It's still razor sharp. So as you can see, the TBS Ahma Puukko folding knife is a lockback variant. It's again in N690 cobalt enriched stainless steel, but this time we just made the blade slightly thinner. This makes so that we can make it fold nicely and not spoil any of the ergonomics of it. It's a very solid folding knife with a really great action, really solid lock, and makes a great companion on your belt. So I've been using the Ahma for the last week or two, doing all sorts of different tasks, but you know, when you're sitting around in the evening, you think about turning your hand to a bit of carving. I love a bit of carving, it's really relaxing, and I intend to make different utensils and things like that. This week, just made a few spreaders. Use it for, we're in the French countryside at the moment, why don't we have some pâté and a baguette, or some, great for spreading butter and things, where a knife like this just isn't really suited. As you can see, this is a big powerful knife. Go all sorts of tasks, but also sharp and clean enough to do all sorts of carving projects, smaller, finer work. And I'm currently making a kutska here to use as a bowl, put in our kit. But this knife, I made 3 or 4 of these during the week, all with this product. As you can see, this is the folding version. Very powerful, very clean, very sharp. As you would expect, the leather work for any TBS knife is superb. We've got a number of different designs. This is the most common one. It's the Scandinavian style sheath with a fire steel attachment. But we are developing now a full cover multi-carry, which will have a full flap, as you would see on a Falknive F1 or something like that. As you'd expect, just like all the other TBS products, we do a fantastic range of leather work for our folding knives as well. This particular one is new to us, it's a new design. It looks like a everyday standard belt pouch that you'd get for your knives, but of course we do it slightly differently. It will hold a great range of different knives, but it's been custom made for the Ahma Puukko folding knife. This pouch allows you to carry it in a regular fashion, vertically, on your belt, but it also does it, you can carry it in scout carry by threading the belt through this way.